Hello and welcome to Every Day's Off. So today I've come out here navigating some of the densest woods you can find. How thick this is with privet, greenbrier, and what have you. And I've come for this. This is what is left of a barn that stood on my grandfather's property. It was used as a barn and a shed for many years before my dad started his business in here. He had a little woodworking operation that was going on in this little tin roof shed. This is where it all started. So my mom asked me to come out here, see if I could get some of this wood and create a nice TV tray for my grandparent. So I had a bit of difficulty harvesting the wood and decided to put down my camera. It was all still nailed together, but I did manage to get a few great pieces, and I'm gonna cut those to length to form the top, and we'll get it all screwed together. Whenever I'm making a piece with a solid top, I always try to orient the grain of the adjacent pieces so that they match up as well as possible. Aligning your screw holes is also a great way to create a uniform appearance. Got these great screws. They're T25 Torx head Deck Plus screws from Lowe's. I learned that my grandparents are coming home sooner than expected. So, in order to make up for lost time, I found these TV trays with a Barnwood finish at Walmart and hastily repurposed their legs for my project. As you can imagine, this required a good deal of retrofitting. But I think the end result was quite good. So here's the bottom side of the finished project. As you can see, I put in a couple of stops. The legs just lift over the stops there. So when you fold the table out, these stops can be turned and locked into place so that the legs can't be moved. This adds a good bit of stability to the table. Then you simply undo the latches, lift the legs over the stops, and it folds away nicely. Here's a shot of the top side of the finished product. Let me know in the comments how you think it turned out. Be sure to like, subscribe, and come back to see us. Take care.